Hello friends, welcome in my YouTube channel Railway Departmental Exam Questions. Today I am going to give some important MCQ on establishment rules. As per new guidelines or new pattern of exam, now all questions come in objective type only. So all my questions as a objective based on objective type and on a latest exam pattern. These questions are important for APO, AOM, ACM, LDC examination and all other various examinations because establishment rules are asking in normally all the examination. Please note our answers is updated as on 2021. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel, share with your friends. Thank you. So our today's first question is full form of WRIIL. Railway Board recently issued one circular on leave. In that they are giving one new type of a leave, that is a WRIIL. So what is the full form of WRIIL? That is work related illness and injury leave. Work related illness and injury leave. WRIIL. Work related injury illness and injury leave. Next question. Temporary railway servants, those who are temporary status or temporary railway servants, are not eligible for WRIIL. True or false? Temporary railway servants, whether they are eligible for WRIIL or not. The correct answer is false. Temporary railway servant also eligible for WRIIL rule. Work related illness and injury leave. Next question. Leave on average pay. Leave on average pay shall be credited during the period that employees is on WRIIL. If an employee is on WRIIL, work related illness and injury leave, whether they are eligible for whether any leave on average pay shall be credited. True or false? The correct answer is false. No leave on average pay will be credited. Next question. Leave on half average pay shall be credited during the period that employees is on WRIIL. In last question we see that there is no leave on average pay will be credited during WRIIL. Now the question is whether leave on half average pay will be credited. True or false? Again the correct answer is false. Neither LHAP nor LAP will be created during WRIIL. Next question. Before that I am giving some information that we are running one Telegram channel. On that Telegram channel we are conducting daily live MCQ tests. So you can download the Telegram app and join us on Telegram channel for live test. I mention the link in below in description box. We conducting the test on commercial rules, finance rules, establishment rules, Rajbhasha, GK, and transportation or traffic rules. So normally these are covering all departmental exams. So those who are willing may join us on Telegram app. As I told you, I mentioned the link in description box below. Next question: demonstration and a strike. Demonstration and strike mentioned in rule number dash of the railway service conduct rules 1966. Demonstration and strike mentioned in which rule of the railway service conduct rule 1966? The correct answer is rule number 7. Demonstration and strike mentioned in rule number 7 of railway service conduct rules 1966. Rule number 7. Next question: daughter's son, can a divorced or widow daughter's son be included as dependent in pass? Suppose one employee having their daughter which is divorced or widows, so their daughter's son can be included, or their daughter's daughter can be included in dependent as a dependent in pass. The correct answer is no. That daughter may be included, but their son or their daughter can't. So the correct answer is no. Next question: can the first class pass holder travel in Rajdhani Express? Suppose one employee having first class privilege pass, whether they can travel in Rajdhani Express or not? Yes, they can. Yes, they can very well travel in the Rajdhani Express. So the correct answer is yes. Yes, he can travel in Rajdhani Express. Those who are holding the first class privilege pass can travel in Rajdhani Express also. Next question: what is the validity of complimentary pass issued to the licensed porter? Validity of complimentary pass issued to the licensed porter. Recently, Railway Board issued one guideline or one letter. In that they are mentioned that complimentary pass issued to the licensed porter should be valid for 5 months. So the correct answer is 5 months. As I told you earlier, our answer is updated as on 2021. Next question: first Shatabdi Express was run between dash station to dash station. First Shatabdi Express was run between dash station to dash station. The correct answer is from New Delhi to Jhansi. The first Shatabdi Express was run after completion of 100 years of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question: modern coach factory. In short, normally we are writing MCF. Modern coach factory is located at Modern Coach Factory MCF is located at the correct answer is Rai Bareli in UP. In Uttar Pradesh, Rai Bareli Modern Coach Factory is located.